Hey guys, what's up? Today I'll show you how to screencast your phone, Android on your PC. This is a screen on my PC and I move it with my mouse. To do that, first of all, you need to download a free program called with the crazy name, and I will get you a link in the download link in the description. And while you are here, just go down here. You can read about it over here, what it includes. I don't care right now, and click over here, Windows download, and download it. I already downloaded. So to do this, I extract all the files in my folder over here and double click, and it will open your phone. Okay, that's the first step. You won't be able to, okay, sorry, it's just went off. To enable it on your phone, go to settings and go up here in a section about your phone, and over here you can see this Movavi version, and now just click 5 times on, until you see the "you are a developer." I already enabled this, so it says no need, you are already a developer. And after you've done that, go back and go down here under additional settings and scroll down until you find the developer options, and go down and debugging. Under debugging, make sure that USB debugging is activated, and make sure that USB debugging security settings is also activated, because if you only activate this first one, you won't be able to use your mouse and keyboard. So make sure that this is also enabled. And this is it. As you can see, it works very good, very nice. And thanks for watching. Drop some likes, comments below, and bye bye.